The curious case of the mysterious body found in an abandoned home in Nampally area of Hyderabad. Investigation has now revealed more details. Yesterday we had reported that it was a Facebook video that went viral that had led the police to this house in Nampally area, actually very near the market, where they found the skeletal remains of a human, and that had triggered curiosity about whether it was a man or a woman, what was the age, when did that person die, and was it a murder, a suicide or a natural death. The Facebook video itself was because a young person in that area who had looking for a cricket ball jumped into the compound of the house and went into the house, found skeletal remains and then made a video of it, and that became viral, and that's how the police landed in this house. Now investigation has revealed that this particular person may have actually died 10 years ago. That's because a phone that had gone dead came alive after repairs and has revealed certain details about the dead person. It was a Nokia phone, a very old one. The battery had stopped working, and after repairs they found the phone came alive, and they have found 84 missed calls in that phone in 2015. The other indicator was some notes that were found that were demonetized 500 rupee notes, and now the police are thinking that this person may have died before demonetization, which means could have been in 2015. Of course, the phone could have run out, or the phone could have gone bad, or the person could have died and therefore not able to recharge the phone itself. The ACP of the area, Mr. Kishan Kumar, had told NDTV that this person is Amir. He is the third son of a person called Munir Khan, who had 10 children. He was the fifth born in the family, and so many siblings, and yet no one bothered to check about Amir in the last few years. Some of them are living in the city, some of them are outside the city or outside the country, but no one bothered to check. One of the brothers, Shadab, would come and collect building rent in and around that area, but he did not bother to go into the house and check about his brother. They say that because in the past as well, a couple of times he had gone away and then returned, they thought he had done something similar this time around. So was there any murder angle to it? Because this is quite a huge house with property. That's something that the police are investigating, are not ruling out, but as of now it appears that there may not have been any such murder motive, because one, the person, there is no scuffle being seen in that area and no blood marks that the police could find after so many years, of course. And the second part of it is that this property may be worth about 5 crore rupees. No one bothered to come here, not to find out about the property itself, and therefore that angle has been ruled out. What they surmise is that Amir is someone who was a single person. He was not married. He had some mental stability issues is what we are being told, and he may have died a natural death inside his home, but no one discovered it. For now it appears 10 years. In Hyderabad, with camera person Nagaraju, Uma Sudhir, NDTV.